Fourth problem, find the perimeter of a sector, that is the curved portion as well as the two straight portions of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and sector angle 75 degrees. So let's start the solution. First of all, we will write given. What they have given the radius r is how much? 14 centimeter, and sector angle is 75 degrees. And for finding the perimeter of sector, we already know the formula. We know that the perimeter of sector is equals to L plus 2R. This is the formula. What is L? L is the arc length. So first we will find out arc length. Now the arc length, L is equals to, the formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta is 75 degrees by 360 into 2 pi is 22 by 7 and r is 14. So we can cancel the 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. 2 ones are 2 eights are 16. 2 ones are 2 90s are. So we got 75 by 90 into 22. Now again we can cancel this. 5 ones are 5. 5 eights are 40. 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. If we cancel it again, 15 by 18 into 22. So 3 fives are 3, 6 are 18. So we got 5 by 6 into 22. 2 threes are 2 11s are. So 5 11s are 55 by 3 centimeter. So this is the arc length. Therefore, the perimeter is equals to 55 by 3 plus 2 into r, that is 14. So 55 by 3 plus 2 into 14 is 28. Okay, so if we take out the LCM of 3 and 1, we will get 3. This is 55 plus 3 into 28. 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6, that is 84. And if we add this 2, we will get 139 by 3. Now let us divide this. 139 by 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 9. 3 6 are 18. 1.0. 3 3s are 9. 1 left, 0.0. 3 3s are 9, up to so on. It will goes. So we got 46.33 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of the sector is 139 by 3 centimeter, or else we can write 46.33 centimeter.